Using Uber Cash on Uber Eats is a convenient way to pay for your food orders. To get started, first make sure you have Uber Cash in your Uber account. You can add Uber Cash by going to the payment section of your Uber app, tapping on Add Funds, and following the prompts to add money using a credit or debit card. Once you have Uber Cash, open the Uber Eats app and select the restaurant you want to order from. Browse the menu, add items to your cart, and when you are ready to check out, tap on View Cart. On the checkout screen, you will see a list of available payment methods, including Uber Cash. To use Uber Cash, select it as your payment method. If you have enough Uber Cash to cover the full cost of your order, it will be applied automatically. If you do not have enough Uber Cash, you can use it to pay for part of your order and add a secondary payment method to cover the remaining balance. When using Uber Cash, keep in mind that it can only be used for Uber Eats orders and cannot be used for other Uber services like rides. Also, Uber Cash is non-refundable, so make sure to only add funds that you plan to use. To check your Uber Cash balance, go to the payment section of your Uber app. Here you can view your current balance and see a history of your Uber Cash transactions. You can also use this section to add more funds to your Uber Cash account or to set up automatic reloads. By following these steps, you can easily use Uber Cash on Uber Eats to pay for your food orders. Using Uber Cash can help you save time and money, and it is a convenient way to manage your payments in one place.